Hello guys, welcome to Sense Chatting. So today we'll see a basic understanding of what is double bottom pattern and how to identify this particular pattern and when this particular double bottom pattern occurs in a market, and by using this particular pattern how to plan your investment and trading plan. So coming back to the video, so we can see on the screen two bottoms are mentioned. So these particular two V's are called as a W pattern, also a double bottom pattern. Twice it will make two bottoms and then it will move upwards. Also, this particular pattern is called as a trend reversal pattern because this particular pattern forms whenever a resistance level is touched in the particular stock or index. From there, it will move downwards, and once it finishes its down move, when it reaches the support level, that is where buyers see that particular consider that particular support level and purchase from that particular level. So from here they started purchasing, and again we saw a little bit of resistance. Again, second confirmation was given by the buyers that again they want to purchase at this particular same support level. So thus forming a double bottom. Here, whenever this resistance is broken, that is where I'll enter my position. And first, for small stop loss, I can consider this as a my first stop loss. And if at all I want to continue for a longer time frame, I'll keep these both bottoms low as my stop loss. So also, how there are two ways of identifying target of this particular double bottom, that is whether I can consider counting the candles from first half of the candle and towards this end, and from there how many candles are there formed with respect to the time frame that you are watching, divided by 3, and also the price target will be this neckline breakout till the bottom. So whatever the price is there where this particular double bottom is considered, so from first target will be of this price that it has to reach in so and so date of when we calculated with the count by counting these many candles and divided by 3. So also the second method of identifying the resistance is and marking those resistance levels and keeping them as a targets in your chart. So let's see some live examples in market how this particular double bottom pattern is formed, and after that how the market reacted. So coming to the chart, Reliance chart is there. So here I have identified and marked double bottom pattern. So if at all this high is broken, that is where I'll make my entry, and also I'll keep this as a stop loss. So as you can see here, we have a perfect breakout of this. Half of the body is above this particular line. That means this pattern is broken and gave a bullish movement. Also, if you can see the volume over here compared to past 5-6 days, the volume is higher. So that means whenever a bullish or buyers purchasing over here, they are giving an indication that the market will go up. So here I can say that my next target is this one is my first target, and this particular level is my second target. So let's see if it will achieve that particular level or not. So our stop loss is our after our entry position, our stop loss is never reached. So first target is achieved or at this particular level, and we'll wait for the next target to hit in Reliance Industries by using double bottom pattern. So now it is trying to go up. So it has reached this particular target and forming a higher highs. So compared to this low is higher, and compared to this high is higher. So now second target is also reached, and this is where I'll book my profit from this particular Reliance Industries using double bottom. Moving on to next stock analysis, HDFC Bank. Also I have marked one double bottom pattern for you using HDFC chart. So my first target will be this one. Whenever this high is broken, that is where I'll enter into this particular stock, and I'll keep this low as my stop loss. This is my first target, And if you can see, squeeze it, so previous resistance will be your next targets. So this is my second target is achieved, and my next target will be this highs. This will be my next target. So using that particular pattern, this target is hit, and this is how you should use this particular double bottom pattern and make some resistance levels as your targets and enter accordingly whenever this high is broken. And always, if at all it is coming down, once this stop loss is taken out, then only we should exit from this particular trade. Next, moving on to next stock, Bajaj Finance. So Bajaj Finance also. So this particular stock is coming from the, as I said, all the stocks are coming from resistance level to the support level, and there we are seeing this pattern formation. Coming to Reliance also, Reliance from resistance to bottom support it has reached, and here the previous support is, and exactly there it has found a double bottom, and from there it has moved. So that's why whenever the market is, if you're looking for a bullish patterns, whenever the market is coming from resistance to support, that is where you should consider these particular patterns. And next again, at the support we have Bajaj Finance, and this high is broken, that is where my entry is. This is where my entry, and I'll keep my stop loss, first stop loss and second stop loss. Also my first target is this one, and then my next target is, I can see this from here the market started coming down, and then again from this particular value market started falling. So these are my targets that I have kept. So let's see if the market tries to achieve these particular targets using this double bottom pattern. So the market has crossed this. I made an entry over here, and again it gave a breakout from that level and reached my first target and took retesting again, trying to move up, reached my second target over here. So now I'll shift this particular stop loss, whatever stop loss I kept, I'll shift my, whenever my first target is reached, I'll shift that particular stop loss to here, and here you can see my third target is also reached. So now how to save this particular profit that the market is giving rather than giving back to the market. So whenever market is reaching these particular targets, so our first stop loss is here in this particular value, our stop loss is there, and now whenever this particular target is reached, our entry is here. So I will shift my stop loss to the entry point. So now the market, if at all it is falling, I'll not wait for this stop loss to hit, I'll shift that particular stop loss to entry. And when my second target is hit, so I'll shift my this stop loss to first target. If at all market comes down, I'll book my profit here, and once this is reached, I'll exit from the trade. If not, if I want to trail my stop loss or profit, then I'll shift my stop loss from this point to this point. So this is how you should use the pattern of this double bottom and trade accordingly in your investment and trading plan. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to Sense Charting.